Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Zubair and you are watching Must Die as a believer YouTube channel Islamic video. So I want talk more, keep watching. The video completely. In this video I will discuss about the importance and virtues of Nafal fasting. Nafal refer to that worship which is not obligatory, but through him the servant can attain nearness to Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala say, whoever does extra good deeds willingly, that is better for him. Al Quran, Baqarah 184. That is, the best person is the person who performs nafal after the obligatory worship. That is, the best person is the person who performs nafal after the obligatory worship, because the word good includes anything beneficial. When Abu Umama radiallahu ta'ala anhu asked the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, about the best deed, he said, you must observe fasting, because there is nothing equal to it. Listen carefully to the discussion about Siam's customs in the next part. Etiquette or good manners, etc. From worship to all activities of personal, social, and state life, dealing sociability, use of rituals and purification of mind, etc. The customs and principle adopted by Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked the Ummah to follow them is called adab in Islam. The place of manners is very high. These are not like extras. Rather, it is included in the basic purpose of all the commandments of Islam. Therefore, in order to receive all the virtuous blessing and reward promised by Allah regarding fasting, and to achieve self-purification, patience and pity, it is not enough to just give up food and drink and sexual intercourse, because there are the body distraction of Siams, and his soul is his manners. Therefore, the purpose of fasting will not be achieved if the etiquettes of fasting are not taken care of, because the Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said, there are many fasting people whose fate is nothing but hunger and thirst, and there are many night worshippers who can gain nothing but the trouble of waking up at night to make Siam fruitful and fruitful. One must stay away from all kinds of wrongful activities. Dristy should be protected from all sins. Abstain from looking at strangers. Abstain from looking at strangers, watching TV movies, verbal, lying, backbiting, obscene.